guess you're going to draw Pikachu.
Yeah, dressed up for fall with a hat and a scarf. We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw Pikachu's little nose, and we're just going to draw a little line in the middle of our paper. Then we can draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a little curve coming out to the left and a matching curve coming out to the right. Then we're going to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle this size and a matching circle on the other side for the other eye. Then we could draw a little highlight or a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. It's already starting to look like Pikachu.
Yeah.
And now we need to draw the head. Let's start here. We're going to draw a big letter U. I'm going to start here. We'll come over to the other side and then back up. Then we can draw the cheeks. I'm going to draw a big oval shape in the corner and a matching circle or oval shape for the other cheek. Okay, now let's draw the hat. We're going to draw a curve that comes over the top and connects to the other side. Then we could draw the side of the hat coming out and up on both sides. Pikachu with a hat. It's awesome.
Looks like Santa.
Yeah, it does look like Santa. We're going to draw a curve that comes over and connects. Then let's draw the top of the hat. We're going to draw a big beanie hat, a big upside down U. And then we can draw the little pom-pom on top. I'm going to draw a zigzag line that goes around in a circle shape. Yes, okay, now let's draw the Pikachu ears. We're going to start here and come down. You could draw it going up. And then we'll start here at the top and come down and connect to the hat down here. And then we're going to repeat that same step for his other ear. Then at the very top, we can draw a little curve for the tips of his ear to color them black. And let's go ahead and color those in. Next, let's draw our Pikachu's scarf. I'm going to draw a rectangle shape that comes down from the neck. And then we can draw another rectangle, well, a smaller one that's behind it. And then let's draw the part that's going around his neck. We can draw two lines coming down from his cheek. Then we're going to draw a line like we did for the hat to connect to the other side, but we're going to imagine that going behind the little ends of the scarf and coming out over here. Okay, now let's draw our Pikachu's arms. I'm going to draw a little curve that comes down, and then we're going to curve back up. And let's do the same thing on this side. I'm going to go behind the scarf and imagine it overlapping. Then we can add the little fingers too on Pikachu's hands. Now let's draw the body. I'm going to come down, around, and then we're going to come back up. Then let's draw his little toes or feet sticking out on each side. And we could add those little toe lines too. If we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need extra time. What's our Pikachu missing?
His tail.
Yeah, his tail's sticking out. Looks like a lightning bolt. We're going to draw it sticking out to the side right here. Then we're going to draw another line that matches this one. So we'll use this, our imagination, to copy it. And then we're going to paste it right here. But see how I left a little space? so it's not connected to the body.
Yeah.
Yes, and then we're going to connect this one down to here. Then we're going to draw a little zigzag that comes out for the tail and then back into the body. And we did it! We finished drawing our Fall Pikachu. Turned out super cute, especially love yours. Except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Pikachu, our Fall Pikachu, and I especially love yours. I always love yours.
Thanks.
You can pause the video to match our coloring.
Or you could change the colors like on the hat and the scarf.
You could also add a background. Maybe there's fall leaves or even some other Pokemon dressed up for fall.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Pikachu.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.